Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop. And today we're going to have some DIYs for fall and Halloween. I don't know how much I'm going to put of it in there, so I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. We're going to make some little shabby chic ghosts. Aren't they cute? They're going to stay in my office. Unless I put them in the dining room, the formal dining room. And then we got these cute little, the orange, black, and white ones that I like too. So, come on, get you something to drink and let's get to crafting, y'all. Well, I just realized I didn't have it recording, so hopefully now you're recording. I'm just painting these white. I decided that I had 6 scarecrows. That was enough. Don't need a whole bunch. So I'm going to make these that I've already put my spackle on. They're not 100% smooth and perfect. Don't need to be. This ain't a wall in your house that you got to spackle perfect. And I'm just putting 1 coat of white paint on the outside. I'm going to put it in my styrofoam to dry. It's going to be a girly one. So let me find my brush. And this is just an ink pad. I'm going to give her some cheekies. And if you get too much on like that, just get your brush wet and you could take it away. This one, I put her bow right there, so this one I'm going to put it off to the side on this side. I already made her bow. So let me cut this down some. Maybe some more pins. Oh, it's a little too long, I think. And like I said, you can stick these in a flower arrangement. I think these are going on the garland that's on my china buffet, my china cabinet. And there she is. I'll fix her little eyelash. There's my 2 girly ones. So here's my Halloween one. She's done, and I don't think I'm going to put the black flakes all over. I don't know. So before we get doing that, I already put that up. I wasn't thinking. Okay, let's get the eyes drawn. Like the round eyes better not do these eyes. I don't know. This is easier. I just get my sponge and go peep peep. Like the other one. Let me draw him a mouth. So much easier, y'all. So much easier. Look at my hair. Okay. Okay, let's get these finished. Eat our paws. Ooh. Heavy on the hand, Carolsue. Come on now. We got our bows ready. Okay, I think all these I'm going to put on top. It was already on it. Okay. I don't like the orange on the stick, so I'm repainting the sticks black. Okay, I'll let them dry and clean up.